Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a cute giraffe. So let's start to draw. At first we are drawing from giraffe head like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow those steps, then you are also able to draw. Yes, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Yes, like that. We are almost here. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Then you are also will be an artist. Yes, like that. We are almost here. Let's learn the colors name. Dark yellow color, brown color. At first we are using the dark yellow color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.